Don't. Hi guys, today we're going to be doing the very popular video that's been going around where people try to follow makeup tutorials, mostly by like really talented makeup artists, and that is no exception today because we are going to be attempting to follow It's Likely Makeup, which she's amazing. She's so talented. The difference, of course, is that Paul is going to be following It's Likely Makeup's, aka Jordi, her steps to her video called My Easy Everyday Full Face Makeup Tutorial. She'll probably never see this. Probably is the best because this will definitely not do her justice.
It's gonna be beautiful.
So she starts off the video just by talking about her new eyelash range, and she also kind of does some skincare, so I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit till we get to the makeup. So she uses a mixture of foundation and a primer. So that's what you're going to do. You don't have to hold the brush at the same time. She mixes it together. No, okay. I think you ran out.
You said it was not to put any more.
You put it all on one side of my face. That's why.
You gotta get a thick coat on so you don't have to do a second later.
And that does a lot of covering for me. So this makes just a nice light base.
I got extra. Wait,
do a good job.
You act like I'm not trying.
Okay, you need to get in front of me.
I don't even know.
Alright, we're gonna try this.
Then going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. And just sticking that on in all the places I want to conceal.
Would you let me do? You do this every morning?
I don't.
Crevices. I think I really like this sponge. Giving a nice, flawless finish.
Okay, so the thing about this thing is that you can get right up in there.
Damp
Did you stick
sponge
that in
and my
there?
Kat Von D
Oh,
Look
okay.
Loose setting powder. Also doing
It's just
my
under the eyes that she's doing.
I can't see a difference here. The light's so bright.
Amazon. Just putting that in the hollows of my cheekbones, along
Okay.
my jawline, on my forehead.
No.
It's not moving.
To blend it out, I'm going to use my Sigma Chisel and Trim contour brush. The name is quite literally.
Blending it out means there's no harsh line.
Oh, wow.
Are we blending? Come on, that looks like I have dirt on my face. Okay, that's...
The eye was left.
That is not the middle of my nose.
Oh, I thought she was doing right. Oops.
No.
Is that how you blend?
This is how she's carving out the cheekbones.
Oh man, there's so much that goes into this. This is insanity.
I actually have the same product as her. She's using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer, and she uses a big fluffy brush.
My go-to brow is usually a black brow, so I'm going to use Blackjack
You
from
didn't
my
even touch it.
Ultimate Basics palette and my Pony Cosmetics brow brush.
Dude, your eyebrows like black. Whoa.
Look.
I have been liking a little bit of arch to my brow.
You're
Usually I like them kind of straight.
You can do it, babe. Now, it might be easier for you to hold the brush that way.
Immediately missed.
Babe, no, this is serious.
You just made fun of me.
Did you fuck it up? See what she's doing? Brushing it upwards.
Does it not feel like I'm brushing it upwards?
Okay, other one. How are you?
I just...
Oh!
I feel so bad. And she goes, I chose an easy video for you to do.
Guys, I'm going to use the NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette, and using my NYX number 16 brush, I'm gonna put this light shade all over my lid as a base. I'm gonna go in with this orange, and I'm gonna apply this all over the lid and in the crease.
Just keep blending.
And I like this look to be really super blended.
Wonderful.
And then I'm gonna use some of this pinky shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. Then I'm gonna add a little baby wing with my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
I'm done.
I never said it didn't look hard.
Just kidding.
Wait, why down there?
I didn't mean to. The edge of the brush got it. As you close as you're getting about me.
Babe! What the hell? Babe!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Babe!
Why is it so zoomed in?
Because that's what you do when you do eye tutorials.
Absolutely leave this look like this and carry on with no lashes.
I look like a 6-year-old trying to apply their own makeup.
Oh, babe.
It's not my thing. I don't have a makeup channel.
Next, she's using a very like peachy apricot matte blush.
A really pretty matte peachy blush. And to highlight, I'm going to use Ofra's Rodeo Drive highlighter. And I'm going to use my Sigma Spotlight Duster brush.
I got that. I'm aiming where she was doing it.
Okay.
I'm also going to use this to highlight my brow bone. Okay. Lashes are on. Yes. Now I'm moving on to lips. And for lip liner, I am using the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner.
Get the whole lip? Did you get in the center on the top?
Oh, I have to color the whole thing in?
Yes.
Oh.
Not color the whole thing in, but you have to go around the whole outside.
I thought I got over that.
And then for lipstick, I'm going to use Caked Makeup's Lip Fondant in Creme de la Creme, which is a perfect match for this lip liner.
You are sweating. Come on.
I don't draw. You keep saying acting like I'm not trying. I actually am. Okay, so I screwed up a couple times and I'm trying to repair it.
Oh, we missed the freckles somewhere.
I don't want to put freckles on it. I'm just going to screw it up.
I'm going to lock it in place using my Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray.
Spray my face. In my ear.
It's a masterpiece.
Well, thanks, Paul.
You're
I
welcome.
look just like her. Jordi, I'm really sorry about this.
No, it looks fine. Jordi, you want me to show you how to do it? Just.
You are so talented, and I love your channel. I've been following you for a long time.
Me too. Obviously.
Obviously. Oh, little baby beetles. Hi. Hi, little baby beetles. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I love my cat Matos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. The eyebrows, though.
Yeah, the eyebrows pretty fucking bad. Yeah, well, you're welcome.